In this lecture, we will download and install Unity. First, we will open Unity Hub on our computer. You may see a pop-up window that says your computer's firewall has blocked some of the features of this program. We can click the Allow Access button to dismiss this dialog. To view the versions of Unity that we have available to download, we can click the Add button. By default, the latest version of Unity will be selected. Let's stick with this version. If you want to download the same version that I am downloading, it is the one shown here, 2019.3.0. Now we will click Next. Here we can select the different modules that we want to download in addition to Unity. For this specific tutorial, we won't need any of these except for Visual Studio 2019. So if any of the other options are checked, we can uncheck them. Then let's click Next. After that, we will be prompted to accept the Visual Studio 2019 Community License Terms. We can click the checkbox at the bottom left of the program, and then click Done. The download and installation process for Unity will start, and we will see a progress bar in blue based on the progress of the installation inside of Unity Hub. This process might take a little while, so I will speed up the video here. In the next lecture, we will create a Unity project.